In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Docusign login error. 5 minutes. We'll walk through a quick, clear sequence that resolves most sign-in problems without wasting time. Start by opening a new private or incognito window in your browser and try signing in there. Private mode runs without most stored data and often without certain extensions, so it's a great way to check whether something in your regular browser session is interfering. If you can log in private mode, that's a strong signal the issue is with your browser data or add-ons, which we'll tackle next. Close that window and clear your browser's cache and cookies, selecting the time range for all time. Make sure both cookies and cached images files are included. This removes old or corrupted data that can break the login flow. When the clear is done, fully close and reopen your browser before trying again. If the issue continues, switch to another supported browser. For example, if you're on Chrome, try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari on macOS. Make sure the browser you use is up to date, since older versions can have compatibility issues with modern login pages. Next, turn off your VPN and temporarily disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy filters, and script blockers. These tools can unintentionally block resources that the sign-in page needs. After disabling them, refresh the page and test again. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one later to find the culprit. Now, log in with the correct credentials. Carefully type your email and password, double-checking for typos and making sure caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, ensure it's filling the right account and region, and watch out for accidental leading or trailing spaces. If your account uses two-step verification, have your device ready and enter the code promptly. Close any multiple open Docusign sessions or tabs. Having several tabs or windows signed in at once can cause conflicts. Sign out everywhere, close extra tabs, and then open a single fresh tab to sign in again. Finally, if there have been too many failed attempts, your account may be temporarily locked. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before trying again, or use the forgot password option to reset your credentials. After you receive the reset email, follow the link right away and create a new strong password, then try signing in once more. Follow these steps in order and you should be back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your login working smoothly.